Hello guys, and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to like games on Roblox Mobile. So guys, first open your Roblox app on your mobile device and log in onto your account. After that guys, select the game that you want to like. As you can see here, you can choose this from your home page alternatively and on your search icon. Then tap on search the experience that you want to like on game if you want to like, and click actually play it on the Roblox mobile app. So what you're going to do guys, just press them experience and bring up information about this game and screen on the screen and scroll down slightly, and you can see this app section here, and go ahead up and again just want to press up and just like this game. As you can see here, this is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content. And you can make a favorite game guys by pressing the star icon, as you can see here. This is how you can do. See you on other videos soon guys.